photoelectric effect. This effect is basically given by Einstein, that's why it is also known as the Einstein photoelectric effect. You can see, first of all, let us suppose there is a metallic sheet. It may be either cuboidal, let us suppose it is cubical type of the metallic sheet. Initially what will happen, suppose these are the radiation of the sun, the ray of the sun, which is going to emit it. We know that in the solar radiation there is an energy packet which is known as the photon, and that energy is a photonic energy. We know that energy will remain either in form of the h nu, or rather 2h nu or 3h nu dot 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 up to nh nu. ये इसी फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करती है इसकी एनर्जी. In between them the energy cannot be exist. The energy cannot be the h nu by 2 or the 3h nu by 2. So we may say that the energy is a type of the packet or the bundle which has to be associated by each of the ray of photons. It may be either h nu or the 2h nu or 3h nu or up to dot 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 nh nu, where n is a positive integer whose value will be the 1 to the infinity. Now what will happen? Initially, let's suppose this is the radiation which will occur through the solar energy. These are the photons whose energy may be either h nu or maybe the 2h nu or maybe the 3h nu. Then initially what will happen? First of all, it will strike at the surface of the metallic sheet. Then some of the atom, we know there is a solid particle. Now let us suppose these are the atom of the solid. Now what would happen? Initially as the radiation will fall down on the surface, then it will took the energy either in form of the h nu or the 2h nu or 3h nu, and then it will work out. How it becomes work out? It will eject, the electron become eject to the surface, and it will reaches up on the surface of the sheet. As it is moved from the bottom to the surface, the work has to be done, which is known as the work function. What is that? It is work function. This is the work function which has been done by the photoelectron, or you may say the atom of the metallic sheet, and that will acquire the energy, hold the energy h nu, 2h nu, 3h nu, and so on through the radiation, and after associate them, it will jump up, move up. As it is going to move up, there has to be a work which has been done, and that is known as the work function, which is defined by the W. When the electron will move up, then what happens? It will also move further up. If it will have the energy, then definitely by the kinetic energy it will move up. Now how much energy it will hold, or you may say the how much kinetic energy will be held by the photons, that will be the half mv square, as we know, that will be the maximum kinetic energy, and it will be equals to the radiation which energy radiation which has been absorbed. The energy radiation, we know that the h nu minus the work function. We know the work function is the atoms consider the photon waves, and then after it will took the energy, and finally it will jump up into the surface, and that has to be minus. So the overall energy which has been associated by the atom minus the work function, that will be the kinetic energy which has been acquired by the ejected photons. Now we can replace the values. We know that maximum kinetic energy may be written as h nu minus w. We know it becomes h nu naught, where nu naught is the threshold frequency, which is the least frequency which has to be required to eject the atoms within the block and move up. That is the minimum energy which has to be needed for ejection of the electron. Now h will be the common, it becomes nu minus nu naught. Again replacing the value of the nu, it becomes c by lambda, and here becomes c by lambda naught. Taking c as common, The relation will be 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught. That is the Einstein photoelectric equation. That becomes the Einstein photoelectric equation. That will show you, that will represent that how much energy has been governed by the atom within the surface of the metallic block. That is going to move up after consider irradiation photonic energy.